Hello friends, welcome to a lecture on Microsoft Word. Today we will learn how to write equations in a Word document. So let's begin. On my screen I have an open Word document and here I will demonstrate how can we write equations. So first let's start with writing an equation for a straight line. Having done that, go to Insert, go to Equation, and you can start typing your equation here. So you can write y is equal to mx plus c. And we are done. Cool, isn't it? Next, let's write a quadratic equation. So let's do it right way. So we go to Insert, we go to Equation, and here we go to Scripts. So we select this is a base and this is the power of it. So this is the superscript, this is the subscript, this is double script. After the main number, that is the base, this is double script before the base, and so on and so forth. So let's select this and we write here 2x raised to 2, then plus 3x plus 10 is equal to 0. Well, that was pretty simple. There we are. Now let's write a cubic equation. So let's write a cubic equation. So for that, we again go to the equation editor, equation, and we again take the script. We write the equation as 3x cube. Then to move out of the power, all you have to do is press the key for moving right. Okay, we have the cursor keys or the keys in the keyboard by which we can move up, down, left and right. So I press the right. Okay, let me go back again into this. Yes, and then press plus, then 2. Well, let's take the subscript. So there we are. So 2x square, right key, plus 10x plus 12 equal to 0. There we are. Here I have demonstrated how can we write equations using Microsoft Equation Editor. Well, writing mathematics is of course a very big topic in itself, and you can use the equation editor to put much more complicated equations than this. I urge you to discover it out, but already I have given you the starting of it. Goodbye friends, have a great day.